Are you looking for the perfect breakfast option that's both delicious and diabetes-friendly? If managing your blood sugar feels like a daily challenge, don't worry, not all bread is off-limits. In fact, there are amazing types of bread that can help you control your blood sugar levels while still satisfying your taste buds. In this video, we'll uncover the top 7 best breads for people with diabetes that are not only safe but can also support your health goals. Imagine starting your day with a meal that's healthy, flavorful, and guilt-free. But that's not all. Stick around until the end, where I'll share some creative ways to enjoy these breads, making your meals even more exciting and enjoyable. Ready to transform your mornings and take control of your health? Let's dive in. 1. Almond bread. Almond bread, made primarily from almond flour, has emerged as a popular alternative to traditional bread due to its low carbohydrate content and high nutritional value. Packed with protein and healthy fats, almond bread offers numerous health benefits, making it an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or seeking to improve heart health. One of the standout features of almond bread is its extremely low glycemic index, which makes it suitable for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. Unlike conventional bread made from wheat or refined grains, almond bread ensures a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This property makes it particularly beneficial for people living with diabetes or those following a low-carb diet. Additionally, almond bread is rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that are known to reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of these healthy fats may help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, contributing to better heart function and reduced risk of heart disease. For those looking to incorporate almond bread into their diet, its versatility makes it an easy addition to various meals. Here are 2 simple yet nutritious ways to enjoy almond bread. 1. Nut butter and fruit sandwich. Spread almond bread with cashew or almond butter, drizzle a small amount of honey, and top with banana slices for a naturally sweet and energy-boosting snack. 2. Cream cheese and berries. Layer almond bread with cream cheese and garnish with fresh berries like blueberries or raspberries for a refreshing and antioxidant-rich breakfast or snack. By choosing almond bread as part of your daily diet, you can enjoy a delicious alternative to traditional bread while reaping its numerous health benefits. Whether you're managing a specific condition or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, this nutrient-packed option is worth considering. 2. Chia seed bread. Chia seeds, often hailed as a superfood, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Incorporating these nutrient-rich seeds into bread not only enhances its health benefits but also makes it an excellent choice for those seeking balanced nutrition. Chia seed bread offers a unique combination of health advantages, including blood sugar regulation, prolonged satiety, and reduced food cravings. This makes it an ideal option for breakfast or a wholesome snack. Health benefits of chia seed bread. The high fiber content in chia seed supports digestive health and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, making this bread particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or aiming to avoid energy crashes. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds contribute to heart health and reduce inflammation. The antioxidants present also help combat free radicals, promoting overall well-being. Creative ways to enjoy chia seed bread. Chia seed bread is versatile and pairs well with a variety of toppings and accompaniments. Here are 2 simple yet nutritious ideas. Toasted with coconut butter and cinnamon. Toast a slice of chia seed bread, spread a layer of coconut butter, and sprinkle with cinnamon for a delicious and aromatic treat. Served with poached eggs and sautéed greens. Pair the bread with poached eggs and a side of sautéed greens for a protein-rich and balanced meal. Incorporating chia seed bread into your diet is an effortless way to boost your intake of essential nutrients while enjoying a flavorful and satisfying food option. Whether as part of your morning routine or a midday snack, this bread is a smart choice for those striving for a healthier lifestyle. 3. Quinoa bread. Quinoa bread is emerging as a fantastic option for individuals seeking a delicious yet nutritious addition to their meals, particularly for those managing diabetes. Quinoa, often referred to as a superfood, is a nutrient-dense seed packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. When incorporated into bread, quinoa offers a wholesome alternative to traditional options, promoting both health and taste. One of the standout features of quinoa bread is its high content of complete protein, a rarity among plant-based foods. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them highly beneficial for overall health. For those with diabetes, these proteins play a critical role in stabilizing blood sugar levels by promoting satiety and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, quinoa is rich in dietary fiber, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream helps minimize glucose spikes and provides a sustained feeling of fullness. Creative ways to enjoy quinoa bread. Breakfast boost: toast a slice of quinoa bread and top it with a soft boiled egg and a dollop of avocado for a protein-packed start to your day. Healthy snack: use quinoa bread as the base for a light sandwich featuring fresh cucumber slices, cottage cheese, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Sweet treat: spread a thin layer of honey on toasted quinoa bread and garnish with chopped walnuts for a dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth without compromising health. Quinoa bread's versatility and nutritional benefits make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their diet while managing blood sugar levels effectively. Whether as part of breakfast, a midday snack, or even dessert, this superfood-based bread proves that healthy eating can also be delicious. 4. Flaxseed bread. For individuals seeking a superfood to aid in diabetes control, flaxseed bread stands out as an exceptional choice. Packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds, when incorporated into bread, transform a simple meal into a true ally for your health. One of the key benefits of flaxseed bread is its high fiber content, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down the digestion process, preventing sudden spikes in blood glucose. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds offer anti-inflammatory properties and promote heart health, an essential factor for those managing diabetes. How to incorporate flaxseed bread into your diet. Here are some practical and delicious ways to enjoy flaxseed bread throughout the day. Breakfast: spread a light layer of cream cheese on a slice of flaxseed bread and sprinkle some chia seeds on top for added nutrients. Snack: pair flaxseed bread with guacamole, mashed avocado, for a satisfying and healthy midday option. Main meal: use flaxseed bread as the base for a sandwich with grilled chicken and fresh leafy greens for a balanced and nutritious lunch or dinner. Flaxseed bread not only supports blood sugar management but also contributes to overall well-being with its heart-healthy and anti-inflammatory properties. By integrating this superfood into your daily meals, you can take a proactive step toward better health while enjoying its versatility and flavor. 5. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread has emerged as a popular choice for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Packed with essential nutrients, it offers a range of benefits that support overall well-being and long-term health. One of the standout advantages of whole grain bread is its ability to slow down digestion, allowing sugars from food to be gradually released into the bloodstream. This process helps prevent sudden glucose spikes, promoting stable energy levels and reducing the risk of insulin-related issues. For individuals aiming for better blood sugar management, whole grain bread is an excellent dietary addition. Moreover, whole grain bread is rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining energy production, supporting the immune system, and ensuring proper oxygen transport throughout the body. Including whole grain bread in your meals can contribute to meeting your daily nutritional needs. Creative ways to incorporate whole grain bread into your meals. Breakfast boost: toast a slice of whole grain bread and top it with mashed avocado and a pinch of sea salt for a nutritious and satisfying start to your day. Healthy snack: create a wholesome pudding by combining whole grain bread with low-fat milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This simple recipe offers a delicious yet guilt-free treat. Light dinner option: prepare a sandwich using lean chicken breast, fresh greens, and sliced tomatoes on whole grain bread. This combination provides a balanced meal that's both light and filling. Incorporating whole grain bread into your diet is not only easy but also highly beneficial. Its nutrient profile and versatility make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their daily meals while supporting their health goals. Whether as part of breakfast, a snack, or a light dinner, whole grain bread proves to be a reliable ally in maintaining a balanced lifestyle. 6. Rye bread. Rye bread, known for its denser texture and mildly tangy flavor, is a nutritious alternative to traditional white bread. Made from rye flour, this bread offers a range of health benefits, making it a popular choice for those seeking a healthier diet. Nutritional advantages of rye bread. One of the standout features of rye bread is its low glycemic index, which means it releases sugar into the bloodstream at a slower rate compared to white bread. This makes it an excellent option for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of energy crashes. Additionally, rye bread is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes satiety and helps control hunger between meals. This fiber content also supports digestive health and contributes to overall well-being. Creative ways to use rye bread. Rye bread is versatile and can be incorporated into various meals throughout the day. Here are 2 simple yet delicious ideas. Croutons for salads: transform rye bread into crispy croutons by cutting them into small cubes, tossing them in herbs, and baking until golden. These croutons add a flavorful crunch to salads while maintaining their nutritional value. Breakfast option: toast a slice of rye bread and top it with mashed avocado and a pinch of black pepper for a wholesome, energizing start to your day. By including rye bread in your diet, you can enjoy its unique taste while reaping its numerous health benefits. Whether as part of a hearty salad or a quick breakfast, rye bread proves to be both nutritious and versatile. 7. Oatmeal bread. Oatmeal bread has emerged as a popular choice among health-conscious individuals, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile. Packed with beta-glucan, a unique type of soluble fiber, oatmeal bread helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, effectively regulating blood sugar levels. Additionally, oats are known for their cholesterol-lowering properties, making this bread a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Nutritional benefits of oatmeal bread. The key ingredient in oatmeal bread, oats, is rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Beta-glucan, a standout component of oats, plays a significant role in improving glycemic control, which is particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Furthermore, by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, oatmeal bread supports cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Incorporating oatmeal bread into your meals. Oatmeal bread's versatility makes it suitable for various meals and occasions. Here are some creative ways to enjoy it. Breakfast boost: spread peanut butter on oatmeal bread and top it with banana slices for a quick, energy-packed start to your day. This combination provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugars. Dessert delight: transform oatmeal bread into a delightful French toast by dipping it in a mixture of eggs and low-fat milk. Cook until golden brown for a healthier take on this classic treat. Why choose oatmeal bread? Incorporating oatmeal bread into your diet is not only a delicious choice but also a smart one for maintaining overall well-being. Its ability to regulate blood sugar, improve digestion, and promote heart health makes it an ideal option for those seeking a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Whether as part of your breakfast routine or as an indulgent dessert, oatmeal bread proves to be both versatile and beneficial. Consider adding this wholesome bread to your daily meals to enjoy its myriad health advantages. The 7 types of bread mentioned not only offer a delightful taste but also contribute effectively to blood sugar management. Instead of eliminating bread from your diet, you can fully enjoy it in a mindful and intelligent manner by selecting appropriate options and incorporating them creatively into your daily meal plan.